Alrighty, so let's create our Amazon Seller Central account so that we can start making some money. So you will type in your URL, Amazon Seller Central, right? And then this screen will appear, right? There are two plans. You can do the $39.99 a month plus selling fees. That's Amazon's fees that they collect on the back end. Or you could sign up for the $1 per item that you sell. I say just sign up for the $39.99 per month, considering that you are going to be making money just as long as you follow the steps. All right. So sign up. You're going to click that, right? Once you click sign up, it's going to have you. I already have some of this. I already have this stuff pre-filled, but I want to show you guys. It will have you create a new account, right? So you'll just hit new account. And once you create the new account, it will bring you to this screen where you pre-fill all of your information, right? So you'll just have an email and your password. Once you do that, then it will bring you to the business information, right? So just to show you guys, we're gonna go right here. So you'll input all of your business information, your company registration number. Whenever in doubt, you can look at this. It's a business license, right? So you will have to either have an LLC, right? Or you are going to be a sole proprietor. So right now, we're putting the business name, use to register with your state or federal government, right? So that's you're either going to put your LLC's name or your name. So if you're just being a sole proprietor, you will put your first, middle, and last name if you have middle, right? Now, if you're doing your LLC, again, make sure, depending if it says LLC or however your LLC looks, or your S Corp, C Corp, however you do it, make sure you put LLC. Or if you have it like this, there's a lot of different ways where people do it, right? So just make sure you have that part filled out. Then you're going to put your company registration number. It's 9 digits. So you'll put that, and that's going to be your business license, right? And then you're going to put your registered business address. So whatever that address is, right? And then you're going to put your phone number. You have to type the characters above, right? Once you do that, and you could put it in a number. So you'll put in your phone number, right? And it will send a SMS. Oh, session expired. All right, let's try this again. So NGS G77. Then you'll send yourself a text. And then once you get that, you'll put that in, right? We'll hit verify, right? Then it's going to ask you to hit next. So now you have your address, you have your phone number, you have your name, right? After that, you will hit next. And then this is where you will put in the primary contacts info, right? So whoever you are, right? And all of this is self-explanatory. Your date of birth, identity proof, you can do driver's license or passport. You just got to follow this. It's pretty simple, right? You can hit that. Confirm if primary, you're the beneficial owner of the business or a legal representative of the business. If you're making this for yourself, you can just click this. As you can see, you could put both, but it really doesn't make a difference. Primary contact person is the only beneficial owner. If it's just you, you're going to hit yes. And then you will hit that, and then you will hit next. Right? Once you do that, you will input your bank account information. I already inputted that, but again, this is pretty self-explanatory. This is a very easy to set up, but there are certain parts where people mess up. So you just want to make sure that you have all of that information at hand. So make sure you're following this and you'll be good. Monthly subscription fee, so you'll have to put a card on file, right? That's for the $40 per month. Once you start making money, Amazon will not charge your card. They would just take it out of your profits. Now you could come up with your storefront name. It does not have to be the same exact name as your LLC, or you could keep it the same, however you want. Do you have universal product codes? If you're doing private label, you will hit yes. If you're doing just selling name brand things, you will hit no. This isn't the end of the world if you do this, because you may end up having your own UPCs, but I would just say hit no unless you're doing private label and you do have your own UPCs that you will be purchasing. Do you have any diversity certifications? Again, if you do, yes. If you don't, no. Do you own a brand, or do you serve as an agent or representative or manufacturer of a brand for any of the products you want to sell? No. And again, if it's some of them, some of them. And if it's yes for all of them, hit yes. But 9 times out of 10, you're going to be clicking no. All right. Then you will hit next. Once you do that, it's going to bring you here, where before you submit everything, it's going over everything that you already inputted, right? You will have to upload your driver's license or your passport, the front side and back side. Make sure it's laying flat with no flash, and all 4 corners are in the frame, or you will get denied. This is why people go wrong. And now look at this: uploaded instructions, right? Accepted formats. These are all the accepted formats. So make sure you are following those, okay? Proof of address, you can either do a bank statement or credit card statement for your proof of address. As you can see, you're putting your residential address, and they want to see proof of that, right? Once you do that, you will hit next, right? And the verification, I say it's like a interview. You don't have to prepare for it besides having your bank statement, whatever you put here, right? So if you have a driver's license, you're going to upload you're going to have your physical copy of your driver's license or passport. For your proof of address, if you're doing a bank statement or credit card, whichever one you upload here, you need to have that printed out. All that's going to happen is that you are going to do a video chat with the Amazon representative, who 100% of the time is overseas, and it's very quick. You can set it up instantaneously. So once you hit the next button, within 3 to 5 minutes, you will be able to get a phone call from Amazon or a video call from Amazon for them to verify that you're you. Once that part is done, it could take up to 2 weeks for them to send a verification card. Or they may not send a verification card at all. So I would just say check your account every 2 to 3 days, and your account may be activated. But that is exactly how you set up your Seller Central account. Good luck. Let's run up a bag. Let's go.